Now let us go to the today's topic, eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So what did I say about eigenvalue and eigenvector? As I mentioned earlier, a matrix multiplied with a vector will give you a scalar value into the same vector. This is the concept of eigenvalue and eigenvector. This lambda is nothing but eigenvalue. This x is your eigenvector. Okay, so இதுதான் இந்த கான்செப்ட் இப்ப நான் சொன்னேன் உங்களுக்கு. If I'm taking one matrix, okay, so for a particular vector, if you do the transformation, either the vector will be scaled up or scaled down. But if you take any other vectors means they won't be like in the same straight line. So இதே மாதிரி அதே direction போவாது. They will be like projected into a different the vectors will be projected in different spaces. But a single like a particular vectors, those vectors are very unique. Okay, those vectors either it will be scaled up or scaled down. Okay, so our focus will be like only those vectors called eigenvectors, and the particular scalar value how they are scaled up and scaled down are called eigenvalue. Okay, let us take one particular example. Okay, I am having a matrix something like this, 8 minus 4 2 2. Okay, so this is the vector I am passing. Okay, this is my input vector. If you pass the input vector, let's see what is happening. Okay, do the matrix multiply. The concept will be like k into the output vector is also same. That should be our answer. Na? Let's see that. Do the matrix multiplication. It's a 2 cross 2 system and 2 cross 1. The output will be like 2 cross 1. Na? This is our output matrix. That is nothing but 8 minus 4 into 2 plus 2. That's our output. So it is nothing but 4 4. So what it tells that? It tells that k is equal to 4. So this is the condition for this vector is like eigenvector and this is our eigenvalue. Okay, so our focus is to find those vectors, because for a system those vectors are very unique and those eigenvalues are that defines the characteristics of the system. Okay, now let us go to how to calculate this eigenvalue and eigenvector of a particular system. I am giving you a matrix how to calculate the eigenvalue and eigenvector. Okay, so now as we know very well that ax is equal to lambda x. Okay, then keep this in LHS. Okay, here then ax minus lambda x is equal to 0. Okay, ax is equal to lambda x is equal to 0. We just have to from here ax minus lambda x is equal to 0. Just take lambda outside. So to take lambda outside, our matrix will be like a minus lambda I. Okay, is equal to 0. We need a non-trivial solution. Trivial solution in a sense, x is equal to 0. We don't need that. Okay, we need a non-trivial solution. We need a non-trivial solution means this quantity which should go to 0. So determinant of this one will goes to 0. That's what I explained before. The reason I came up with this problem is to get the non-trivial solution. Either you do the row echelon form, otherwise simply you take the determinant equal to 0. So that will give you the answer. Okay, the same thing for non-trivial solution, take the determinant of a minus lambda I. You got it right? If you solve this a minus lambda, determinant of a minus lambda I, to solve for lambda, those lambda is called your eigenvalues. Okay, let us solve one problem. The same problem. Let us find the eigenvalue of this problem. Okay, 8 minus 4 2 2. Na? So what is the condition? How to find the eigenvalue of a problem? Just take a minus lambda I determinant. Okay, and find the values of lambda. So it's nothing but 8 minus 4 2 2 minus lambda into 1 0 0 1. Okay, now it is nothing but 8 minus lambda minus 4 2 2 minus lambda. Okay, how to calculate the determinant of the system? So 8 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda minus of minus 8 plus 8. So the equation will be like something like lambda square minus 10 lambda plus 24 is equal to 0. Just to expand this equation, so you will get the equation something like this. So do the factorization. If you do the factorization means it can be written the 24. We can expand this as -6 and -4. Okay, so our values are lambdas will be lambda is equal to 6 and lambda is equal to 4. You got it right? So we have obtained two eigenvalues. Let us find out the corresponding eigenvectors. Okay, let us find out the corresponding eigenvectors. How to find the eigenvectors? Okay, just substitute this lambda, any one of the lambda, in the, sorry guys, yeah, substitute this lambda in this equation. Okay, a minus lambda into x here in this equation. Okay, let us substitute that lambda. A minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. Na? Our lambda is 4 and 6. So this is our equation. In this equation, can someone switch off your mic? Actually, yeah, someone is like switch off your mic, guys. Okay, yeah. Then 8 minus 4 is equal to 2 into 2 minus 4. So this is our final. If you substitute 4 in this equation, this will be our final answer. Okay, in this answer, now expand this equation. Okay, what it is telling, what is the information you get from this equation? In the equation, what is the information you are getting? You are getting information null space, right? Remember, guys. Okay, what did I say about null space? If in this system of final equation, in this system, okay, if I'm passing some arbitrary vector, that should goes, the output should be goes to 0. Okay, the null space of this system, okay, ரொம்ப important concept புடிச்சுக்கோங்க. The null space of this system is your eigenvector. You got it right? Substitute the lambdas in this equation, you will get a a minus lambda matrix. Okay, in that matrix, the null space of that matrix will tell you the eigenvectors. Okay, the reason I keep on insisting it, right? Later part we'll be talking about algebraic multiplicity and geometric multiplicity. அப்போ ரொம்ப useful இருக்கும் இந்த கான்செப்ட். So அதுக்காக தான். Okay, let us find the eigenvectors of this. Just expand this equation. To expand this equation means what is your answer? Your answer will be like 4x1 minus 4x2 is equal to 0. Then 2x1 minus 2x2 is equal to 0. From this, what is we are saying? X1 is equal to x2. The condition, right? So, as I mentioned you earlier, any arbitrary direction, okay, or eigenvector, it's not a unique value. So it can be finally, if you choose your answer x1 as 1 means x2 is also 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Okay, because all are in the same direction. Okay, all of these vectors are in the same direction. These are your eigenvectors direction. Okay, so this is your eigenvectors. For lambda is equal to 4, this is your eigenvectors because we didn't normalize these vectors. Okay, so if you take any vector in this direction, these vectors will be either scaled up or scaled down. These vectors will be either scaled up or scaled down. So these are the eigenvectors of lambda